Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala told us that the Shaitan is our enemy. The main goal of Shaitan is to lead me and you to the hellfire, to make me and you disobey Allah by whispering and beautify things to us. In Sahih Muslim, Allah's Messenger said that Iblis, he sets his throne on the water every morning, and then he sends his army to tempt mankind. And the one who is closest to him is the one who can cause the most severe damage to mankind. So at the end of the day, all army of Shaytaan, they all come back and report to Iblis. What did they do during the day? So they would say, I have done such and such. And Iblis would reply and say, you have done nothing. A Shaitan will come and say, oh Iblis, today I made the person to drink alcohol. You have done nothing, Iblis will reply. Another Shaitan will come and say, oh Iblis, today I made so and so gamble. You have done nothing, Iblis will answer. Oh Iblis, today I made so and so kill his brother. You have done nothing, Iblis will answer. Look at all these major sins. And Iblis keep answering every single one of them. You have done nothing until one of the Shaitan comes and says, today I did not leave so and so until I separated him. I separated him from his wife. Iblis will get very happy. And he will bring that Shaitan close to him. And he will put a crown on his head. And in the hadith it says, he embraces him, he hugs him. Iblis hugs the Shaitan that separates the husband from the wife. Iblis on a daily basis hugs the Shaitan that ruin homes. My brother and sisters, look at the other stuff. They are all major sins, and Iblis kept on saying, you have done nothing. And the divorce is halal. And he says that is the best thing you did. Do you know why? Because when the divorce takes place, the family is broken, and that would lead to the society to be shattered and problems with the children's. In Hadith, the Messenger of Allah said the most hated of permissible things to Allah is divorce. Ya Allah, I ask you the best of your names to fill all our homes with love and mercy. Ya Allah, everyone who's listening to me right now, Ya Allah, fill their homes with love, mercy and tranquility. Ya Allah, bless them with righteous children. Ya Allah, don't let the Shaitan come between them. Ya Allah, bless them with righteous children. Ya Allah, make our last deeds our best deeds and our last words La ilaha illallah. Jazakallah for watching, and don't forget to share this to protect the Muslims from the Shaitan.